You drink water every single day, glass after glass, trying to stay healthy, yet you still feel tired, low on energy, dry and unfocused. So you start to wonder if you're actually hydrated. Here's the truth. Drinking water is not the same as being hydrated. Real hydration isn't just about how much you drink, it's about how well your body absorbs it. Most people miss that part. Water alone isn't always enough. Your body also needs electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium to absorb and retain fluids. Without them, water can pass through quickly, leaving you drinking more but still feeling dehydrated. Drinking too fast is another issue. When you gulp large amounts at once, your body can't use it efficiently and flushes much of it out. Sipping steadily throughout the day works better. You're also constantly losing water through sweat, breathing, and digestion, especially in warm conditions, so hydration needs to be consistent, not occasional. And it's not just about drinks. Water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables help hydrate you more gradually and effectively. Your body gives signals when hydration is off: fatigue, headaches, dark urine, dry lips, poor focus, but many people ignore them. Hydration is deeper than just drinking more water. It's about absorbing better and supporting your body with balance. Add minerals, sip slowly, include hydrating foods, and stay consistent. When your body is truly hydrated, everything improves: energy, focus, and performance. Simple changes, powerful results. Follow Wellness TV and stay balanced.